The V-22 Osprey, engineering marvel or controversial aircraft. The V-22 Osprey is one of the most unique and ambitious aircraft in military aviation. Its blend of airplane speed with helicopter versatility has made it a game-changer for missions requiring rapid deployment and maneuverability. However, the V-22 has also been the subject of controversy due to its high development costs, safety concerns, and mixed performance record. Let's dive into the history, technology, and controversies surrounding the V-22 Osprey. History of the V-22 Osprey. The Osprey's origins can be traced back to the 1980s, when the United States Department of Defense sought to develop an aircraft that could combine the capabilities of helicopters and fixed-wing planes. The goal was to create a tiltrotor aircraft that could take off and land vertically like a helicopter, but once airborne, transition into a high-speed airplane. The V-22 Osprey was the result of a joint project between Bell Helicopter and Boeing. Development officially began in 1981, and the first prototype took flight in 1989. However, it would take nearly 2 more decades before the Osprey would see full-scale production, with numerous setbacks along the way. One of the main reasons for the delays was the aircraft's complexity. Developing a tiltrotor system that could reliably switch between helicopter and airplane modes was a massive engineering challenge. Additionally, the aircraft faced multiple crashes during testing, leading to concerns about its safety. Nevertheless, after significant redesigns and testing, the V-22 finally entered service with the U.S. Marine Corps in 2007, and with the U.S. Air Force in 2009. Design and capabilities. The V-22 Osprey's design is its most distinctive feature. It operates with 2 large propellers mounted on rotating nacelles at the ends of its wings. These nacelles can pivot, allowing the aircraft to take off and land vertically like a helicopter, and then rotate forward so the aircraft can fly like a conventional airplane. This design gives the V-22 several key advantages. Speed and range. In airplane mode, the Osprey can fly at speeds of up to 275 knots, 316 miles per hour, and cover ranges up to 1,000 nautical miles without refueling. This is significantly faster and farther than most helicopters. Versatility. The V-22 is capable of performing various missions, including troop transport, medevac, special operations, and search and rescue. Payload. The aircraft can carry up to 32 troops or 20,000 pounds of cargo, making it a valuable asset in military logistics. Operational use and impact. Since its introduction, the V-22 Osprey has been deployed in several high-profile military operations. It was first used in combat in Iraq in 2007 and has since been involved in missions in Afghanistan, Libya, and Syria. Its ability to rapidly deploy troops into combat zones and extract them under hostile conditions has proven invaluable. One of the key selling points of the V-22 is its speed. For example, in 2011, Osprey units were involved in the high-profile mission to rescue hostages from Somali pirates. The Osprey's combination of range, speed, and vertical takeoff capability allowed U.S. forces to quickly intervene in a remote area where traditional helicopters may have struggled. Controversies and challenges. Despite its successes, the V-22 Osprey has faced its share of criticism. From the beginning, the program was plagued with high development costs. By the time the aircraft was ready for full-scale production, the total cost had ballooned to over $30 billion, with individual units costing around $75 million each. Safety concerns have also followed the V-22. Several crashes during testing and early operational deployments led to questions about the aircraft's reliability. In 2000, 19 Marines were killed when a V-22 crashed during a training exercise, which dealt a serious blow to the program's reputation. Since then, improvements have been made to the design, and the Osprey's safety record has improved, but some critics remain wary of the aircraft's reliability. Another criticism is that the Osprey can be difficult to maintain. The complexity of the tiltrotor system requires specialized training and maintenance crews, adding to the aircraft's already high operating costs. The future of the V-22 Osprey. Despite the challenges, the V-22 Osprey remains an integral part of U.S. military operations, with over 400 units currently in service. The aircraft has undergone several upgrades to improve its performance and safety, and newer variants continue to be developed. For example, the Navy is currently exploring the CMV-22B Osprey, a variant designed for carrier onboard delivery, which involves transporting personnel and supplies to and from aircraft carriers. There are also discussions about the potential for civilian uses of the tiltrotor technology pioneered by the V-22. While civilian tiltrotor aircraft are still in the early stages of development, there is potential for their use in commercial aviation, particularly in areas that require vertical takeoff and landing capabilities. The V-22 Osprey is an engineering marvel, blending the best aspects of helicopters and airplanes. While it has faced significant hurdles along the way, ranging from high costs to safety issues, it has ultimately proven itself as a versatile and valuable aircraft. Whether rescuing hostages, transporting troops, or providing medical evacuations, the Osprey continues to be a vital asset for the U.S. military. As technology improves, it will be interesting to see how tiltrotor aircraft like the V-22 evolve and impact future aviation. If you found this look into the V-22 Osprey fascinating, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content on cutting-edge aviation and military technology. Leave a comment below on whether you think the V-22 Osprey is worth the cost, and what you think the future holds for tiltrotor technology.